Lekala le ikemetseng la diphuputso SIU le thakgotse foramo ya diranta tse dimilione tse 10 ya Infrastructure Built Anti-Corruption yeo morero wa yona e leng ho lwantsha bobodu. SIU e fane ka tseo e seng di fihletse manyofonyofong a kabo ya dithendara tsa thepa ya ho itshireletsa kgahlano le COVID-19. Diphuputso tsena di tla phethelwa mafelong a kgwedi ya Phato. Ha ile diphuputso tse mabapi le lefapha la bophelo tsona di tla phethelwa mafelong a kgwedi e tlang.
We are at the stage where we can really say, is at an advanced stage. The investigating team has actually pointed to some of the findings as we speak.
Advocate Mutibi uri ha ho letho le tla siwa morao diphuputsong tsena.
Those findings will be put into the legal process, and where there's a need for consequence management in the department, we will refer those to the Director General. Where there's a need for prosecution, our law requires us to send it to the National Prosecuting Authority. And where there's a need for any action against anyone at any level, including the Executive Authority, we will do so.
SIU e sebetsa mmoho le lefapha la mesebetsi ya setjhaba le meralo ya motheo e ka sena le mekgatlo e meng ya baahi e lwantshwang bonokwane.
The forum agreed that one of its main areas of work will be to look into how whistleblowers can be incentivized and rewarded for coming forward with information that could lead to successful prosecution.
We are going to design a framework and minimum standards that are going to inform all of the projects across the public sector. Obviously, that will be over a period of time.
In the built environment, part of this also relates to notions around beneficial ownership, transparency. So who are the real owners of companies? Is fronting taking place? So I think those types of reforms are things that we will continue to emphasize.
Corruption Watch e re e batla hore setshwantsho sa molao se mabapi le dithendara tsa theko ya thepa ya mmuso se potlakiswe.